It is becoming increasingly common for employers and the courts to ask for a hair drug test. Testing for illegal substances in hair gives you a greater time frame of detection than urine, blood and saliva. In fact, you can often detect drugs in hair for several months, if not years, if the hair is long enough. The most common request we have for hair testing is a 3-month or 90-day history of drug use or abstinence, requiring a 3 cm length of hair sample. It is possible to test less than 1 cm up to any length of hair sample available. However, we have to section longer hair samples into maximum 3 cm sections to maintain the sensitivity of the hair test. As a result, the profile of drug use can range from approximately 7 or 8 days history up to in excess of 2 years if the person's hair exceeds 24 cm in length. About 50 strands of hair are necessary, obtained from the crown of the head, which is about the width of a thin pencil, or perhaps the tip of a shoelace. There are typically in excess of 100,000 strands of hair on the head of the average person, so this should not make any cosmetic difference, unless the individual's hair is very short. The benefits are that hair drug tests detect drug use over months, not days. Collecting a sample for a hair drug test is very simple and non-invasive. Monitoring abstinence is possible over a length of time, and hair testing results stand up in court. The two main disadvantages to hair testing are cost and the time frame necessary to get results. It takes several days to digest the hair sample to a stage where it can be analyzed, so we have to quote up to 10 working days on any hair analysis. There are a choice of about a dozen drug classes, but 1 or 2 main ones are common. At DrugAware, we pride ourselves on providing a total solution when it comes to organizing a hair drug test. We offer technical support in relation to the test and are happy to explain everything in complete confidence to give you a full understanding of the process. The certificate of analysis we provide will stand up in court as long as our sample collection guidelines have been followed correctly. If you wish to proceed, we require credit or debit details for payment and the donor's name and date of birth. Contact us to provide the information by telephone. We then issue a hair test collection pack and arrange a suitable method of hair sample collection. This may be the donor's GP, solicitor, or one of our trained collectors. The test takes up to 10 working days, although a week is more common. So log on to our website at www.drug-aware.com for more information, pricing, or to order today.